And we partnered, we went to Silicon Valley, we spent some time, and we came back and we realized that we needed to harness the opportunity for all of our campus-based associates to learn more. We were concerned about bringing ChatGPT directly on campus. And the reason why is we have a really big workforce and we have a lot of data. And we felt like there would be a competitive advantage to build our own large language model. We also knew that if we were going to have to build vector databases to actually store all of that, that could be a competitive asset for us too. And so we went on a sprint to build what we call My Assistant, which is a front end that allows our associates access to doing things like first drafts of communications, product specs, calculations, and over time, we're training the model to do more advanced things like benefits assistant, and we also have a merchants assistant underway. My strong encouragement to everyone that's participating is when you've been in HR for as long as I have, you've seen a lot of organizational change and you've seen a lot of change. I've seen a lot of change in technology in my career. And what I've come to learn is we are best poised when we're in a position of strength, when we're a pace car to that change, as opposed to running behind the bumper, trying to figure out what that's going to mean for the organizational design, for jobs, and for people. I would strongly encourage all of us to be in a position of strength. Now, here at Walmart, we're a little bit of a different size and scale. One could say that could make it more difficult. I like to think that that's actually a competitive advantage for us, is to be really nimble, to use all of our people as power, really be people-led. And in our case, it was to build something to market so that we could all start playing with it and figuring out how it really was going to change jobs going forward.
Yeah, and I'm curious, like when you think about there's so many use cases for generative AI, and obviously the one you talked about supporting employees is a very powerful one. What are there any kind of HR or people use cases that you're excited about, kind of experimenting with generative AI in your team, or perhaps that you're using now?
I think there's a ton. So when I think of the ease by which of doing something like pulling together job specifications, helping to put together data and insights, how to actually frame a performance discussion for someone, how to actually consider how you could use it as a tool to make your managers more effective and or to develop content for learning.